Hey everybody, it's your old pal Willie Whitegloves here, also known as Drawn to You and various other nicknames and aliases. And today we're taking a trip back to our favorite town of Gravity Falls with this character, Gideon. As usual, I go in with the Ticonderoga 420T blue pencil and definitely the Pentel Click Eraser. Those are my two buddies there. And I go in and, plot everything out in blue, light blue. And that's just an old habit. And you want to have something where you're planning out the drawing before you actually start, making lines it just gets a little more permanent each time you move from the blue to the regular pencil I'm now doing the inks right here with the Pigma Micron. So, you do the blues to get a sense of where everything is, the pencils to kind of fix any errors in proportion or anything, and then the inks here. On a lot of drawings, I might be doing different line widths. This one, because it's Gravity Falls, their lines are. I think I did this all with a Pigma Micron 08. And the pencils there are just to indicate some areas in the hair that are going to be different colors. So there's the final ink drawing. And then, Drawn to You 2 is taking over here. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, starting out with the powder blue. That's definitely key to this character here. So I like at 1.2 kind of makes a good decision to. I like that other blue color that he did there in the dark for the darker part. He's kind of using one end of this marker and then realizes that he needs to flip it over. Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment. So there's something that you don't see us do all the time, which is the background with colored pencils. I mean, that we do. But what I'm doing right here is rubbing the mineral spirits over it. Now, if you do this, just be aware you need to be well ventilated. This is stuff that you don't want to be breathing. But yeah, just kind of it's more of a texture than anything else. We're just trying to have a background here without going into a lot of detail. Here's our final drawing. We had a good time returning to Gravity Falls. Hope you did too. Until next time, I'm drawn to you.